Hello everyone, I am Emmanuel Yaboa, the resource manager for Geospatial, and I'll be taking you through the tutorial of the drone simulator. Alright, so basically I'm going to teach you how to download the drone simulator software from the Geospatial page. After that, I'm going to teach you how to extract the files, how to launch the application, and after that I'll teach you how to go about the settings of the drone simulator. Then lastly, I'm going to take you through the navigational keys of the drone simulator. So by the end of this lesson, you have a fair idea of how to control the drone. Alright, so let's have fun. So first, you need to open your browser. Then you key in geospatial.com, tap enter. Then it sends you straight to the Geospatial Media official web page. Alright, so scroll down. Okay, so yeah, there we are. So we can see GIS day. Alright, so you select the GIS day. Alright, so it brings you to the GIS day interface. So here you scroll down a little bit. Then these are the activities where Geospatial Media embarked on. That's this year, GIS day. Yeah, right. So you scroll down and this gives a brief description of how the drone simulation or the drone flight simulator does. Okay, what impression it creates and a whole lot. Okay. Alright, so you download the files here. Okay, so it sends you through the Google Drive. Then this is the Zephyr zip. That is where you download the file. This is how the file will be like when you are done downloading. So it is in the form of a WinRAR file aspect. So I'm just extracting it. So click extract here. Okay, so we are done with extraction. Great. So as you can see, we have our drone here. This is the drone simulation or the simulator. So you just have to double click or open it, and we have a whole lot of files here. Okay, so we have the drone simulation or the simulator manual, so you can just go to the manual a little bit to get a fair idea. Okay, yeah, so the manual is basically the written tutorial. Alright, so as you can see the Zephyr here. The Zephyr here is a company that produced the drone. Okay, so you can go to their web page. Alright, so you can download for MacBook or for the iOS system, and you can download from the Windows. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is take you through the Windows aspect, which is basically the same as the iOS aspect or the MacBook tutorial. Alright, so as you can see, this is the app. This is the app. So this is the supporting file. Alright, so first you open the Zephyr, then you will launch this app by double clicking. Alright, so this dialog window opens to you. Okay, so this helps you to know, gives you an option to choose from the screen resolutions. Okay, so if yours is this, or if yours is 1280 times 720, you can do that. But mine is 1366 times 768, yeah, or by 768. So you need to know your screen resolution before you continue. That's if you want to get a desired full screen interface. And the graphic quality, you can choose depending on your operating system and depending on your specs or specifications of your laptop or your MacBook. So for me, I'm just gonna choose. You can choose from the menus or from the options here, right? So let me just choose let's go for good. So you can choose any of them. I'm going for good. Okay, so you can choose the display monitor too. It seems we have all this. We have one display. So if there is to be a projector, it will give you a 2 display option. Alright, so you can choose to do it in the form of the landscape view. You can view it in the Windows mode, or you can view it in the full screen mode. Alright, so before we view it in the full screen mode, or let's just try the Windows mode. Alright, so I'm going to teach you a little bit of a trick, okay, that's to conserve your data. First, you need to click on the play to launch the app. Alright, so this is the Windows view. Alright, so it gives you an interface where you can drag your game interface to any corner you want. Alright, so first you need to log in. Alright, you need to log into the application, or log on to the application using the internet. Okay, so you can choose to log in, then after you disconnect your Wi-Fi or your connection, or your Wi-Fi or hotspot or anything. Alright, so you need to log in, and logging in require you to enter your credentials with internet access. So after that, you can choose to disconnect your Wi-Fi to save data. So let's log in. Alright, so let's just log in. As we all know, GISD 2019 at yahoo.com, and the password, you need to check this so that you can be able to view your password. Okay, so the password is G, that's capital G I S J at 2019. Okay, so this is the password. Alright, so let's log in. Good. Now go to scenarios. Alright, so there we are. Now let's go to the community pack. You can choose to go to tutorial as I said, so let's go to the community pack. Then load the scenario, as we did earlier. Alright, so we select the free flight. Since okay, so let me take you to this. Since we are at the early stage, alright, so it's advisable, or I recommend you use the beginner, alright, so that you'll be able to get acquainted first, then we move on to the playground challenge. Alright, so the playground basically gives you a scenario where you have to enter certain places without getting crashed, yeah, so basically that is how the playground challenge goes. Okay, so let's take to the beginner. Alright, so you select one, right? So one, you have option 1, option 2, right? So let's select the free flight. Okay, then select module. Alright, so from this collection of drone, okay, so these are collection of drones. Okay, so we have the Phantom 3, Phantom 4, we have the Inspire, yeah, we have the 3DR Solo, Simon X5C, the Typhoon, and Titan. I have a whole lot of drone collection here. Alright, I recommend you choose the Phantom 3 or the 4. Alright, the rest of the drone are quite complex, and I think you can be able to use it in advanced stage, okay, when you get acquainted to the application. Okay, so drones like Titan and Typhoon are very complex drones, okay, and it's very difficult to navigate. Alright, so let's stick to the Phantom. Okay, I don't want you to get caught in hard and unpleasant environment. Alright, so let's just use the Phantom 3. So select the Phantom 3, then select the drone. Okay, so this is the interface. Alright, so this is our drone here. Alright, this is the camera. Alright, so the camera down here, as you can see, that's the camera. Okay, so the camera can rotate. Okay, so this gives you, or this shows to you where you are going. Okay, alright, so where you'll be oriented to. Okay, So as you can see, the camera is giving a tutorial view of this area, right, where the fountain is. All right, so you first need to start the drone, right, or to launch the drone. To launch the drone, on the keyboard, you are going to hold 4 keys together. Okay, you hold the left key, the left arrow key, and the down arrow key together. Then you hold the S key, the S for Samuel key, and the D for dog key, okay, together. So you hold the 4 keys together, okay. So you see the drone blade spinning, okay. So as soon as you see the drone blade spinning, that means you've launched the software. Sorry, the drone, sorry, not the software. Wow. All right, so let's do it together. So left key down, S D for 2 seconds. All right, so let's press it together. Hold. Okay. Oh, great! So now the drone is good to go. All right. Okay, so that's how we launch the drone. All right. So in the next session, I will take you through how you will navigate using the drone. How to go up, how to go down. Rotate left, rotate right, move left,